Oh my gosh, Dylan. Alright guys, hopefully you could hear me over the leaf blow over there, but I've got a couple of cool things to show you guys that just came in the mail. First thing is, this actually came from Santa Clara. It's my 2017 age out patch. So that's cool, I could go ahead and put that on my core jacket. But the next thing, this actually came from someone in one of the LMM truck forums that I'm in. And I'm thinking about starting something similar in the future. And this is, as you can see, it is an LMM hoodie. On the back, it's got Duramax. It's pretty cool. It actually came in perfect time because it's starting to get really cold out. As you can see, I'm wearing a hoodie right now. It's maybe mid-60s, but let me know what you guys would think if you'd like to start seeing clothing.